Thutha wa ihinda iraya rĩa mbara ya njohi, thumu na ndawa cia kurebia gutigirwo thirikari, riu Kanitha onayo ni iyukitie mbara iyo. Kanitha wa PCEA niguo ica ikuhi kwambiriria kambeni ya kuhurana na ndawa icio. Matongoretio ni mutungatiri Edward Foley maugite matacukitie ikinya riu thutha wa thuguri ya ndawa icio gukorwo yongererekete na gikiro kinene na uguo guthukia rucio rwa bururi.
In addition to doing all these other economic, labor, all those legal things, we also must have a values function, a strong values function that includes having a sober nation. Because a sober nation is when you get people creative, is when you get people hardworking, because that is a big part of what we need, sobriety, that value and other values as we go to the future.
Ili ukunywaji wa pombe ipungue, manake sasa iko juu sana, na pia ufisadi inachangia sana kwa utengenezaji wa hii pombe haramu, because unakuta hawa mataperi ama hawa wanatengeneza hii pombe wanapatiana tu hongo.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Kanitha ni ugite kuongerereka gwa thuguri iyo ni gucungiriirie mathina mangi maingi, umwe wa mwari namba ya airitu anini kuoha nda cia tene.
Ipatie na kada nguvu na DCI na machifu wetu wapatiwe nguvu ya kushika watu wote wanauzia watoto wetu madawa na pombe, kwa sababu tutapoteza watoto wetu. Unakuta mtoto anasoma lakini amekunywa pombe, na baadaye tutakuta hatuna watoto ambao tutaachia hii.
Ni kumana na uguo riu moritie aciari othe gwitikira kunyitanira nao hari mbara iyo, kuona thirikari ni remetwo biu kuhukia thina ucio.
When the parents go out with the children, they usually take whatever they take. If it is beer, if they are smoking, they smoke, not fearing that they are together with their children. And the children always take what they take from the parents or what the parents are doing. That is what they usually take home, and it is really affecting them because it's like they are being trained by the parent what they are supposed to do. So once they are being left alone, they usually try to get those joints or those places where they can go and buy those things that they take.
They were of influence, maybe in the church or among the peers. The others are going to feel like it is okay, and we have these cases. Yes, some of our children who have been in church, we find they are hooked in drugs. And because of the drugs menace, they have maybe gotten into early pregnancies, and this destabilizes their life in a very big way. And as a society, we believe we can do better.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njaũ ya Kinũthia.